Hello everyone, my name is Josh. Welcome to my channel. In today's videos, we are going to learn how to shut down the computer within the 5 main ways. The first way is to go to the start menu, you go to power, then you simply click on shutdown. Once you click there, your PC is going to shut down. Second method, when you're on the desktop, just use the shortcut Alt plus F4, then press enter. Once you press enter, the command is going to execute what is in the drop down menu, and the default command, which is the drop down menu, is shutdown. The third method is to go Windows plus X, it's a shortcut. Then you click on U button once, then use U button again for the second time, then it's going to execute the shutdown option. The fourth method is to go to the start menu, navigate through control panel, click on it. Then after opening the control panel, go to hardware and sound, go to power options, choose what closing the lid does in the left panel. Then here we have two options. Here I'm going to choose whether I want to shut down my PC when I press the power button or when I close the lid. Here when I press the power button, I want to say I want to shut down my PC when I press the power button. And on both options, when I'm on battery and when my computer is plugged on power. Click on save changes, then close the window. Here, once you press the power button, your PC will immediately shut down. Then the last method is to create a shortcut on the desktop. Right click, go to new, then shortcut. In the shortcut box, dialog box which has opened, type the location of the item. You are going to say shut down, then you put a space /s, which means shut down. We are going to shut down the PC, but there are some cases when we are shutting down the PC, they're asking the computer to close some application, but for our case we are going to force the shutdown using this command /f. There we force the PC to shut down though applications are opened. Click next, type the name of the shortcut, which is shutdown, then click finish. Once you open the shortcut, the computer is going to shut down. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Comment for more tips, subscribe to get notified of our new videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.